Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine and today I'm going to show you how to check to see if websites have a pixel on them. So what you're going to do is go into Google, type in Facebook Pixel Helper, okay? Then you're going to click on this guy and you're going to put on this extension, right, onto your Google Chrome. So this is what it looks like when you have it on there. And when there's no pixel on a website, it's gray like this. But I'll show you what it looks like when there is a pixel. So we're going to go to my website. Yes, very nice. See, and there's a pixel because it's blue. Very fun. Oh, and you can grab this book if you want. That's not the point, but that's just how the Facebook Pixel Helper works. Whether you have your own ad agency or you have your own website, you just want to make sure that the pixel is on there. This little guy helps a lot. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.